How you doing? Alright. What's up, Internet? Welcome to Everything Looks Better in Slow-mo.
Yeah, the show where we decide to blow things up and check it back in slow-mo. Simple.
Enough of the chit-chat. Let's get straight to it.
Let's blow some shit
Let's go
up.
blow stuff up. Here you see Barry just putting the explosive into the melon. What kind of explosive was it?
It's a Roman candle. Because it's old, we didn't realise that it had two explosions going on, one after the other.
Yeah, as you can see here, it explodes the first time, but then there's a second explosion coming up.
And it is decimating.
Here it goes out at any second now.
Gee! That is so impressive.
That is pretty cool. That's a pretty cool explosion.
And the sparks as well, it's still igniting the firework.
It turned out a lot better than we thought it was going to be, wasn't it?
It was, yeah, it was very impressive. We were trying to keep things safe where the camera's really far away, and I think it was a good distance.
It was a good distance, yeah. We still got a wee bit of some of the melon on the lens, but apart from that,
Yeah.
it turned out pretty well.
It was great. Yeah, worked incredibly well. So hopefully you enjoyed that as much as we did.
Yep. Stay tuned. Check out the next video.
Coming up in the next video, Barry goes crazy with fire balloons and gas. You don't want to miss it.